Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make a vegetarian Guyanese Channa cook-up. So I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make this delicious cook-up, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and also please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video, alright? And you guys can follow me on Instagram and on Facebook at Cooking with Afton. Okay, so let me just show you my ingredients for my delicious Guyanese vegetarian Channa cook-up. Enjoy. Hey guys, so these are my ingredients for my Guyanese Channa cook-up. So the first thing, we have some coconut milk there, we have some fresh green seasoning. Over here we have some cook-up seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, chili powder and some cubes. Here we have our mustard hot sauce. Here we have some carrots, fine leaf thyme, onion, garlic, Wiri Pepper. This is my brown rice here, and this is the channa. I already pressured this channa, alright? So if you guys are going to make this cook-up, you have to pressure your channa. I pressured my channa off camera. So let's get started. So in a pot here, I just poured some oil in my pot. So what you're going to do, you're going to fry up your carrots, fine leaf thyme, onion and garlic. This is just a quick, simple Channa cook-up, guys. So you guys can put in Chilli and all this too. I don't have that right now, so you guys can put it in. But I do have my green seasoning, and my green seasoning have everything in it. Onion, garlic, celery, thyme, garlic, thyme, ginger, everything my green seasoning have. So we're gonna fry this up for a minute or two, and I'll show you guys the next step. So our veggies has been frying up for about 2 minutes. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna pour in your rice, brown rice. I already washed my rice, so it's clean. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna stir up the rice and the veggies, just like this. This is a quick, simple Channa cook-up. Alright guys, this is a vegetarian cook-up today. But I'm also gonna be frying some fish on the side, but I'm not making a video for fried fish. I'm just making a video for the Channa cook-up only, right? So you're gonna fry this up for another 2 or 3 minutes, and we'll be back. So guys, I'm gonna pour in my coconut milk now, and also the water that I pressed the channa in. I'm gonna pour in some of that water that I pressed the channa in. And also going to pour in the channa, and then we're going to mix it up. So we're going to flavour your pot now. So now guys, we're going to flavor our pot. So in here I have my mustard hot sauce. I'm going to put in our cubes. I have my cubes here. I'm using 3 cubes. And here I have my chili powder, ginger powder, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. The whole works. I will leave all of the ingredients in the description box down below. Okay guys? I also put in my cook-up seasoning too. So I'm gonna mix this up, and then I'm gonna let this boil for maybe about 20 minutes, and then it's all done, and I'll show you guys when it's finished. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so my chana cooker has been boiling for about 20 minutes. So it's actually done now guys. It's finished. Just gonna stir it up here a little bit. So this part is optional. If you want, you could put a little bit of sugar, maybe like a half teaspoon or so, and you mix the sugar into the cook-up, the chana cook-up, the vegetarian chana cook-up. Okay guys, so the cook-up is done here. So let it cool down a little bit. I'll show you guys it and may taste it on camera. Alright, so we'll be back. So my cook-up is all finished now, and I'm gonna taste it on camera so you guys see. So this is the chana cook-up here. So I'm gonna taste it and then you guys see. So here it goes. Chana cook-up tastes really good guys. You really need to try this recipe. It's so delicious guys. So I hope you guys enjoy watching the video. Give my video a thumbs up, and guys don't forget to subscribe, and also please watch my ads in my video. Take care and have a blessed day. Bye.